Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to get your individual OKX account verified quickly so you can trade, deposit, and withdraw without issues. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. First, you need to complete identity verification to meet KYC requirements. This keeps your account secure and prevents fraud or illegal activity. If you're on the web, log into your account at OKX.com, click the profile icon, go to Verification, then select Individual Account and click Continue. If you're using the app, open the OKX app, go to Menu, then Profile and Settings, and select Identity Verification under your profile. Next, provide the required information. This includes basic info like your full name, country of residence, nationality, local language name if applicable. Make sure all the info is accurate and up to date. Once submitted, OKX will review your information and your account will be verified, giving you full access to deposits, withdrawals, and trading. That's it. If this helped you complete your verification faster, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.